Good, thanks, Emily. Yes, please. Yeah. Here we go. Bing, bing, bing. Thank you very much. But let's have a look at the app first. Right, go to drone, OpenSky, Oak Park. Okay, bingo. It's past 5:50, so I can fly. All I've got to be aware of is heliport, so it's just a matter of keeping an eye open for any helicopters that might be coming by. I normally meet up with Cookie down there quite often. You know, he's one of our best local longboarders, and he's a really good subject for putting the drone over. Very enjoyable. So we should get some good shots of him today. Just want to recheck here on location at Oak Park, make sure all systems are go. It's looking good out there. Yeah. So I'll get the drone up now, and we'll see how we go, eh? Okay, my actual altitude's only about 8 metres, but I'm 30 metres away from them. So when they're taking off, I'm actually backing up and flying away from them, so that's quite safe. Here we go. Cookie. Woo. Good one, brother. That's it. To fly a drone safely, you need to comply with CASA's regulations, and OpenSky enables you to do that.